You are making a massive mistake if you're trying to trade memes or on-chain coins without Axiom. And today, I'll show you why. Right now, while most retail traders are chasing pumps blindly, smart money is using sniper-level filters, wallet tracking, and real-time edge from Axiom to catch 10x, 50x, even 100x trades before they trend. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how Axiom works, from filters to wallet tools, and explain why this is the most important terminal you need if you're serious about trading meme coins or anything on-chain. Firstly, friends, we start with the sign-up page. The best one is connect with Phantom. You should have a Phantom wallet, and this is the wallet that will give you access to Ethereum, Solana, Base, and many other chains. And that's the way that I recommend you to sign on Axiom. There's a link down below for Axiom. Create a brand new wallet and just sign up that way with Phantom. And immediately that wallet will be attached to Axiom. And then the second option is you continue with Google and you're going to sign up with your email. Before I get deep into Axiom, let me explain something that's very important on Axiom, which is their referral code system. Okay, there's a 30% referral link generated by volume on your direct signees, then a 3% on the signees that they sign up, and then a 2% on that third tier. And so they have the best referral program when it comes to anything really, when it comes to trading meme coins or anything on-chain. Then another very important thing that Axiom has is their point system, okay? You can get points via trading and via friends. And there's two ways where you can earn points. And I think that they will give us some type of airdrop based on this point system one day. I'm not sure, I can confirm, but that's just an instinct I have. In the next couple of years, they might want to probably launch a token. So you can get points via trading and also via friends. So referring friends earns you points, and generating volume and trading more gives you points. If you come to the rewards page, you can understand their rewards and their points system better. Sol earned, for example. This is Solana that I earned on this tiny small account just from generating volume. So I made trades and I earned almost 0.7 Sol just from the trades that I put in a form of cash back. So when you join Axiom and you trade, you get cash back. And these other bots and these other platforms don't give you any cash back. And then what you do is, once the cash back is generated, you can come down here and you claim it, and bam, you earn some extra Sol. Then you have quests, and these quests give you points. So for example, if I trade 500 more Sol in volume, I'll earn 100,000 points. If I make 100 more transactions, I'll earn 2,000 points. And so there's these points breakdown. And as you can see, this account generated me 280k points. It has no referrals, and from the quests, earned me 35,000 points. Based on points, you have tiers. So currently I'm gold. And let me explain to you why this is important and what this means. It's all about the fees and the volume generated. So when it comes to Axiom fees, you have several ranking systems. Okay, you have all the way from wood to champion. Champion earns you 5x more cash back in terms of points. So wood, you get the most amount of fees and the least amount of cash back. And then if you keep earning points, if you keep referring people, if you keep putting in more volume, you'll go up and up based on the amount of volume and points you earn. And you can get all the way to champion, where you have less fees, 0.75%, and you have more cash back. So you're earning more from the volume generated and your trades. These rewards come from trading fees, meaning you'll receive cash back in Solana depending on your multiplier tier. So now that you understand what the entire point and reward system from Axiom is, and you know how to sign in and how to log in, I think it's important to understand how their entire page works. Discover is a page where you can get access to what's trending on DEX Screener, which is the most used platform for doing technical analysis and trading and finding altcoins. And so you have what's going on in terms of importance on DEX Screener here, with an audit log that tells you if the DEX Screener is paid or not, and the amount, the possible amount also of insiders on the coin, if the coin is or isn't bundled and filled with insiders. For example, Moonpig, where the audit log is basically telling us, this entity that earns 30% plus of the coin. So obviously this is not a coin you want to hold for the long term. Then you have trending. Trending is basically their own Axiom trending on very tiny, small and illiquid meme coins that are bouncing on the day. So it's like DEX Screener, but their own trending page. Then they have Pulse with new pairs. These are pairs that are being created. Stuff like, for example, Pump Fun, Believe from Launchcoin, and Bonk's Launchpad as well. But you can filter which ones you want to add or remove here. Everything on new pairs, Final Stretch, which are these pairs that are almost graduating into liquidity pools where they can be traded on Jupiter or on any DEX, literally on Solana, the Final Stretch. And then you have Migrated, which are the coins that migrated away from these launch pads. Everything here, all these buttons are modulated. You can modulate, come to the display. Oh, I want bigger buy buttons. I want smaller buy buttons. You can modulate literally everything. And that's what's special about Axiom that these other platforms don't have. Everything is modular. Then you have trackers. So you have Wallet Manager, where you can manage a big amount of wallets. You have their live trades. You can see what the people that you are watching are trading, buying, selling, etc. So you know what these big KOLs are doing. Then you have Perpetuals, where you can trade perps on Hyperliquid. All you have to do is come here on the top right, click it, go on deposit, convert, and you can convert whatever amount of SOL you want into USDC on Hyperliquid. Then you have Yield. You can earn passive income on your Solana inside of Axiom with almost 5% APY. Then you have your portfolio tracker, where you can see what's happening in terms of spot, in terms of wallets that you have, in terms of perpetuals on your Hyperliquid, and you can see all of this on your portfolio. Then you have finally the reward system, which I already showed you. And then you have the points breakdown, where you can earn more points from just following all these quests that Axiom keeps giving you. You can also set your own referral code here at the top and add more people to be referred. But overall, this is how Axiom works. This is just a very simple over-the-top view of what Axiom is and the basics of what it provides to you. If you've made it this far, you now understand why Axiom isn't optional. It is essential. In 2025, Memecoin and AI plays are faster, they're riskier, and more competitive than ever. The only way to win consistently is with real on-chain edge, and Axiom gives you exactly that. Track insiders, filter out all the rugs, catch the 100x before the crowd. And remember, my free private group is only for real traders using Axiom, not spectators, and the link is down below so you can start trading there. Hit the link below, start using the terminal, and I will see you inside.